Fluffy Clan. I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm outside, and I have two special guests. It's I'm a dog. Four. I said two special guests.
Oh.
Sorry for the glare. We're like, yeah, I have my brother. So we're gonna be playing Bamboozle. He's gonna be Bamboozle, whatever. And then he's gonna be asking the questions. This perfect person. And then me and her have to do it. There's gonna be romance. Poor Kylie. So there's gonna be romance and weird things, and he has to ask all of it. So I'm scared. All right, ready? Nick, go ahead. First question.
Can you run up that parcel?
Me?
Both.
I want to try. Dang it, no.
Then you have to eat a bean.
Dang it, I'll eat up a bean.
You have to pick one bean.
What the fuck is that?
Just eat it. Hey Nick, get out of the shot. Dang it. Get closer. What is it? What is it?
Don't know.
It doesn't tell us the flavors.
All right, what was the dare again?
See if you can run up the building partially with both feet.
I have no idea what that was.
She can't do
I'm not even
it.
gonna try. Oh gosh, this is multicolored. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Something like that. I actually had toilet water before, so I know exactly what this is. It's like toilet water.
cotton candy.
Aww.
All right, what's the next dare, Nick?
Let's do a race. You and you.
Hold the camera.
Oh.
Like, point it at us.
You and you are going to see. So you're going to do a race and touch a fence, then come back. Whoever gets to the finish line first wins.
I can't run that fast.
Just run.
Run out.
Run. Go ahead and eat a bean.
For the beans.
Perfect. All right.
I still have that taste in my mouth.
Here.
I mean wasabi. Thanks, I got the watermelon.
Watermelon and strawberry.
Watermelon.
It's blue.
Oh, I know what you're gonna get.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste or blue raspberry, I think.
Blue raspberry. I'm so lucky.
Dude, I got toilet water. What the flip does that have? This is size.
All right,
Oh, it's the
Nick,
miniature.
what's the dare? You
But-
all or both not in the shot.
Beep. Anyway, I'm eating these. Anyway,
What's the dare?
you two, see who can run inside those bushes and then come out unharmed.
All right, hold the camera.
Okay, hold on. Before you go, let me put this in my mouth real quick.
Hurry!
I need a bean.
Okay.
All right, Kalia.
Ready, set.
No, one of us.
Oh, one more. You go first.
You go first.
I'll just eat a bean.
No. I get it now.
You have to wait. Can't wear a hood. Just walk right in there. Straight in. Keep going. Walk around the side of it, everything, and
Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is so cool.
now you can come back out.
Ow.
That's your time now.
She tried.
Oh my god.
Let me follow her.
So pointy. I have tiny little scissors now.
You have to walk in there, then walk around in all the bushes. Fully in there. Come on. It's not blocked.
Don't worry, Kylie. It's nothing.
Just go.
Wait, does that mean none of us have to eat a bean, or does that mean
I still
we
wanna
both have to eat a bean?
I still want to eat a bean.
All right, we both get to eat
By
a
the
bean.
way, I said unharmed. You said ouch.
I'm still eating a bean.
Okay, you gotta both eat a bean.
You get a dead. All right, I guess I'll just eat this one.
It's a dead fish or coconut.
It's this. It's white.
It could be anything.
It's white. Wait,
Oh,
show it to the
that's maybe
camera.
Something.
All right.
Have to eat the whole bean.
Oh, I got pear.
What do you get?
Oh my god, this is good.
She got toilet water. I got pear.
The luck shift has changed.
The luck has shifted.
Okay. So
Sorry for
one
sending
of
the bills
you,
home.
we were gonna switch. One of you have to make the dare.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Okay, we're gonna switch. One of you are gonna do. You're gonna make the dares. Then me and her are gonna do them.
I dare you. One of you guys. To pretend to hump this.
Well, since he's the boy, he has to do it.
I forfeit.
Both of you have
I forfeit.
to eat a bean.
I
All right, we both have to eat a
Let
bean
me-
because,
let me-
I forfeit too. All right, hold the camera.
Well, before
I
you
would
do
have
it.
totally done
No,
that.
before you do it, let me finish my thing. Before you put one in your mouth.
Ta da ta ta.
Hey,
Hi. Oh my god, I saw.
Can I have this?
no.
Because I never, you have a
No,
mystery.
give me
She
it.
had a mystery.
Give me
I
it. It's
haven't had a
mine.
mystery.
Give it. No, give it.
You guys all had mysteries,
Okay.
but me.
You ate a bean?
No, I still have that dead fish taste in my mouth.
You get bean orange and red.
Wait, show it to the camera.
It's orange with red splotches. Hers is tan looking.
Tan. Toothpaste.
I like toothpaste.
I can't tell. It tastes like peaches and orange.
This might not be taste paste.
Ah. Let me eat another bean. This one's too good. Come on.
Okay, are we just eating beans now? Oh
No,
my.
we're doing dares.
Alright,
Okay,
next one.
I dare you to eat a leaf.
Me?
Any of you. There's leaves. The evergreen leaves.
Eat, Clan. I'm doing this all for you.
The evergreen leaves.
Evergreen don't have no leaves. They're prickly needles. Oh, I'm a germaphobe.
Okay. My phobia is being forgotten, and yeah, I got scared. Really, really scared when I lost my channel.
I'll try.
I
I will try to do this for you, Wolfie Clan.
You at least tasted it, so you don't need to eat a bean.
I'll swallow it for Wolfie Clan.
That means you have to eat 2 beans. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, I did that.
I want a bean though.
You don't get no bean because you're not in it yet.
I want a bean. Okay, it's your turn now. It's your turn.
Oh, okay.
Let me eat a bean.
Wait, I get a bean
No, none of you
first.
guys get to eat the bean because you guys passed.
No, I want to eat a
No,
bean.
we still ate it. I ate it.
I didn't eat it. I spit it out.
You don't get a bean then, Nick.
Yeah, you don't get a bean.
You
Oh,
said
wait,
to
no.
eat it. You said to eat it.
Oh yeah, so you.
Oh, so I don't have to. Never mind.
Hi.
It's peanut butter and jelly.
I'm taking 2.
Time. Sorry.
I'm taking 2 this time.
No, only one.
Only one.
So it's gonna be
Toothpaste or
Wait,
blue
show it to
raspberry?
it's the blue. It's gonna be either toothpaste or blue
Light
raspberry.
blue.
Yep, toothpaste.
Okay. No!
Oh, come on.
I hold them. All right.
You dropped one.
Control with. Okay.
It's green.
Put it back in. Technical difficulties. Okay, so I dare you to get in the shot. I dare you two to hug.
I'm in a bang.
I forfeit. I forfeit. Eat a bean. Wanna?
Baked beans.
Oh, cool. Double bean.
No, grab one off.
Oh, come on. They're stuck together.
I don't
Seriously.
care.
Wait, can I try to get a barf flavor, maybe?
No.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Get ready.
Wait, show it to the camera.
It's green with dark-looking green splotches.
Uh-oh.
She's taking dark blue.
Nope. I'm trying to find one that's maybe barf.
Try pink.
I think that might be his.
No, barf doesn't look like this.
Barf doesn't look like this. It's either Fruity
Alright, now
Tooty
show
or
it.
barf.
Show it to the camera. Perfect.
Boo, 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 boo.
Ah!
Alright, now eat it! What you two get?
I know it's not barf, but it tastes disgusting though.
Nick, what was that? What was it? What was it? Was it barf?
I don't like peaches.
You are so mean!
I don't
know,
know,
but
but
it
I like
tasted
peaches.
disgusting.
So you got barf. Because that was green, so that must have been barf. Right, guys? Comment down below.
Fruity or is barf?
Comment down below. He got barf.
No, it's Fruity
Hashtag barf. Oh, poor you. Alright, so. Get in the shot.
I'm in the shot.
Yes, we're in the shot.
Okay,
I'm not
next.
with the hood.
Next dare. Okay, Leah, I dare you to stand on that red thing. Nick, I dare you to stand on that.
Then on what?
That.
That?
Yeah, that.
Alright.
Wait, one of you do it at a time so I can get both of you in.
Fine.
Alright, Kylie's doing first.
This?
Yeah, that.
Ow.
I don't know if you guys can see her. So you forfeit?
Yeah.
Well, actually, you kind of did it with one leg. I guess that counts.
No,
So.
you have to be standing on
No.
it. She didn't stand on
Nick,
it.
shut up and you do it.
I forfeit. I really don't care.
You guys are gonna take all of the freaking beans.
I'm sorry.
Because I actually want to be.
Oh my god.
I want to see every single flavor.
Okay. You won't turn it.
Now you
Alright, she
can't
did
use
it.
your hands. Now you can't use your hands.
She did it.
Okay. Then I get a bean.
Yep, it gets a bean.
Try these.
Only one. Was it white?
Yeah, it was white.
Alright, it was white. This time you cannot spit it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, Nick, it's back to your turn.
Ah,
because-
dead fish. That's just disgusting.
Alright, Nick, what's the dare for me and her? Remember, it
I'm
could
holding
be
this
romance.
one. I'm holding it
No,
now.
you're not.
It could be romantic.
So-
The one with the camera holds it.
no, because you'll eat it.
Ah, fine. Okay,
It could be romance.
Hey, get the camera up.
Jump over that fence.
Are you kidding me? That's a person's yard.
You can still get back over it if you can jump on it.
I'm too fat. I can't do that.
Climb the tree right next to the fence, then get over the
I
thing.
have too much tiny legs. I forfeit.
Okay. You guys are losers.
That's not even a question. We can't take a bean for that because that's like invading someone's property. We can't do that.
Okay, climb the tree then.
Oh my gosh.
Just climb the frickin' tree.
I'm sorry.
You can jump. No, don't make excuses.
No, I'm not kidding. It actually went like that.
Yeah, but if it hurt, you couldn't get back up, so. You know, you can put your foot on the
Oh
trunk.
my gosh, shut up. Get down. Oh, that person saw us.
I don't think he cared.
Alright, I forfeit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm scared of dogs.
That's a chihuahua.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
a pup. That's a puppy. No,
It's a chihuahua.
It's a puppy, yeah. It's not a chihuahua.
It looks like a chihuahua. Okay, let's go.
I say I'm afraid of dogs, but then
Well,
I see
since
a
I
wolf.
didn't climb a tree,
Eat
do
a
I-
bean. Eat a bean.
Alright, I'll eat a bean. I'll be. No, you did it.
You did it. You at least tried,
Okay,
attempted.
Nick,
Okay, what's the
I got this.
It's dark blue? It looks like.
It's like turquoise a little bit.
Okay, eat it.
Nick, stop. I'm trying to get it. In line. Okay.
I like this.
Raspberry.
Oh, that's cool. Blue raspberry, you mean? Cool. All right, get down. Whose turn is it to do the camera this time?
No, it's still you, because you only did one dare.
Yeah.
Oh. I know.
Get us in the camera.
Go into those bushes, but this time, go.
You can't. Unless you're like really, really like skinny.
I already did.
Cause like I can't do that because like the trees, Nick, like show the camera on me. The trees are like right here. Like right here to the fence, so I can't do that.
Then,
No, they're not.
okay, how about
Maybe
this?
they are.
Okay. Run down to that brown-looking pine tree and back. The brown one, touch the brown tree, then come back. Whoever gets first wins. But you have to make it a fair run. You cannot run at your full speed, Kylia. Give her a competition. Run for all you're worth. Give her a competition, come on. You're letting her win, aren't you?
Yeah.
I said give her a
Actually, you know what? I can't breathe.
You know what? You both eat a bean.
Fine.
Wait, don't take the one I'm gonna take because this might be barf. So this one is actually the barf flavor.
It could be two.
Yeah.
Then
There's
I
a
want to get
lot
that
of
one
pick.
too.
No. You have to choose a different one. Choose the
Okay.
red one. No one's had the red one before.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'll try the red one.
What does it taste like?
I'm gonna guess barf. It's barf. Oh my god.
Hold on, let's give her a
That
good...
guy just winked at me.
Go get her a light blue bean for the good flavor.
Yeah.
A light blue bean, the one that has raspberry or toothpaste.
Yeah, shut up, Nick.
Okay.
Eat this.
It's raspberry or toothpaste.
I got toothpaste. That's good.
She'll have minty fresh teeth.
Now eat your red one.
This is not. We didn't.
I got barf though.
What's...
I feel like throwing up.
It was red.
Yeah, it's red. What is it? Is it blood? Or is it red? Or is it red raspberry?
I still have a tooth in my mouth. I feel like I'm barf.
It was like. It was like sweet. It tasted like red, but it was like mega sweet.
Then it has to be a strawberry. Strawberries
Probably.
are sweet and sour.
Yeah, it's probably.
Okay, now since we're almost out of time because we can get back home, I'm gonna give myself a competition.
I want to eat all the beans.
No, that's my challenge.
No, it's not.
Fine, let's take a small handful of
No.
beans.
Yeah.
Come on.
No.
We have to go home.
Come on, we
Not
have to
me.
do that for the people. For the
For the
people.
people.
Just
For
take
the
a
people.
small handful, a little small
I'll
handful.
choose yours.
No,
You get that.
you have to
One
give
more?
small handfuls.
One more.
Like one more.
No.
Come on,
like
there's still a
one.
lot in there. Now,
Okay.
give me a lot because I can handle stuff.
I can handle stuff.
You have to eat the whole thing, all of them, at
Okay.
once. Now, before you do it, let me get all my beans.
I need to
We
get.
both have the same exact.
Oh, let me get more.
No. What?
Come on.
Jeez, Nick, chill out. You got all of the beans.
Okay.
No, don't eat them yet. Don't eat them.
You get your beans.
Yeah, these are all mine.
Wait, I need more.
Those are a lot more. Come on.
Guys, stop it.
Those are a lot more. You get a lot more. That's
Oh my
not fair.
gosh.
Just like
That's not a fair competition.
not fair.
Jeez. All right. Wait, don't eat them.
You need to give me more.
Oh my gosh. No, I don't.
It's good. It's good.
Are you guys in the camera?
Yes.
All right, ready, set, go. Brave.
We'll have to swallow them no matter what.
Yeah, we have to. Oh,
on.
poor. Okay. Okay, here.
Wow, this is pretty good. Considering there's barf in here. Huh. There is barf in here that I got, but it makes the taste go away. Quite a good thing. Where'd Jackie go? Come on. Let's go find Jackie.
I feel like he's gonna throw up.
If you are, do it away. You dumped out all the beans, didn't
No,
you?
I didn't. See that? What was that, Kalia?
25 today.
Oh. All right. Hashtag Kylie's bravery.
Hashtag, she didn't eat it all.
I know, but she was so brave. Oh my gosh.
She said she's gonna throw up.
She just ate it. She ate a leaf.
So, gets the taste out of it. Let's go.
Hashtag Kylie's bravery. Hashtag Reaper Games. And hashtag Wolfie Creations for hosting this.
That's
Now. Bye, Wolfie Clan. Arr!